that knows a lot about cooking. And I think you might see her up here. Ladies and gentlemen, Aunt Clara Brown. I just love to cook and sing. I like to talk too. That's going to be tasty. Well, Aunt Clara Brown is who I be. I was born in 1803. I worked in the field with my ma and pa on a plantation in Virginia. Well, Ma and me was sold to another plantation, and I never did see my pa again. Off to Kentucky when I was just a kid, worked for Massa Ambrose Smith. Well, I grew up to a woman, you know. I met a fine slave man, made him my beau. At 18, married, Richard I did, and we had ourselves 4 fine kids. There was Richard and Eliza Jane, Margaret, and Paulina Aim. 4 fine children you never did see. 4 fine children for Richard and me. Well, then one day Paulina died. Me and Richard broken-hearted cried. Mama, Papa, miss you, babe. In heaven, no more a slave. See you someday, darling child, in the sweet by and by. In the sweet by and by. We will meet on that beautiful shore. In the sweet by and by. We will meet on that beautiful shore. Well, carried on day by day in God we trust and put our faith. Master say he'd never sell us. Promised we always be together. Suddenly, Master's health got bad. I tried to help, do all I can. People's come from all around to bury Master in the ground. Dun, 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 dun. Then trouble come knocking at plantation door. Master Smith had debts galore. Must pay to keep plantation safe. Pay me now, go sell the slaves. Oh, Master promised broke. One by one, my family's sold. Mama, Papa, children gone. Master's debts destroy my home. I was sold to the George Brown plantation, and I worked real hard and keep praying. Lord, let me live my family seat. When Master died, they set me free. Relax, relax. Thank God Almighty, I was relax. Relax. Thank God Almighty, I was relax. Yeah! Well, I moved to St. Louis, Missouri. Lived as a free paid worker. Started a letter writing campaign just to try to find my kid. Heard Margaret passed on. One more precious child gone. I looked for my husband, can't not find. Got 2 more children on my mind. Back then, many folks start to move out west. There's plenty of land and gold to get. And my luncheon and bar was good to me, so I moved out west with his family. Then news comes, son, riches and glory. Another heartbreak in my story. Only one child does remain, and I'm determined to find Eliza Jane. Eliza Jane moved to Colorado. Want to go to Rockies, see my daughter. Caravan of miners leaving 4C old soul with cut old Wadsworth the way I go. Made my way to Colorado land, cooking and cleaning clothes. Walked 700 miles behind a caravan, miners looking for gold. Looked in Denver here, looked in Denver there, couldn't find Eliza Jane anywhere. Worked for city bakery for a while and then decides to go. Well, I heard Central City call my name. 2-week trip up rough terrain. Can't walk, gotta ride, gotta ask for help. Swallow my pride. You see, I had plenty of money to pay my way, but they just don't allow Negroes to ride the stage. So if we got stopped, I had to say, I was the stagecoach driver's slave. Well, I arrived in the city, no worse for wear. The Gregory load struck gold out there. Opened up the first laundry shop in town, and miners bring me their clothes from all around. See, 50 cents a shirt was my fee. I made lots of cash and invested, you see. I bought shares in mine, bought lots of land. By the end of Civil War, I saved 10 grand. Yes, I did. Well, I still plenty lonesome for my kin. Started looking for lots of Jane again. Looked for back in Kentucky, didn't find no. But brought 26 free people back with me. Well, started church in my home. Held first Sunday school in Colorado. Helped women's in labor, nursing folk. Even allowed strangers to stay in my home. Well, I done good works of many. Hoping the Lord to see. Help no matter the color of the skin. And they call me the angel of the Rockies. Yes, they did. It's true, they did. Well, in my 80s, I could hardly see. State of Colorado gave a pension to me. Got a letter in the post. What in the world? It's Eliza Jane! They found my girl! She comes, Eliza Jane, come stay with me. Come stay with me. Come Colorado, stay with me. She brought my granddaughter called Cindy. They gave me a wall business banquet in my honor. I was proud to receive the award beside my daughter. Ain't God good? I say, ain't God good? Yeah.